Hello, welcome back to another Sunday salad. We're going to make a bean salad today. I'm using 4 types of beans. This is super easy. I'm not going to keep you long. It's delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a quick look at what we have here. Nice and easy. So look, I've got 4 types of beans. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all from a can. So if you're going to use from a can like I have, give them a nice rinse in some cold water. So you've got about 2 cups of each. I'm using chickpeas, black-eyed peas, a white haricot bean and red kidney beans. Of course, change that to whatever you want. We've got a cup each roughly of bell peppers. I've got 3 different colors in there, cut nice and small. Green onions, about a tablespoon or so of chopped parsley. Dill is also quite nice in this. And then I've got equal amounts. I've got like 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And if you want, you could use vinegar instead of lemon, and olive oil. Now, I always buy 2 types of olive oil in this house. So this one, I mean, I'm not promoting the brand, I'm just promoting the fact that this is an extra virgin, nice quality, it's quite expensive. I use that on salads. And then I use another one which is much cheaper, which is basically a mix of pomace oil and olive oil. I use that for cooking. So try and use a nice quality olive oil because it really does make a difference here. Very simply, give it a mix. So you can see I've got my 4 beans in there. We're going to add salt and black pepper. We're going to pop in the bell peppers. Now, if you want, put cucumber in here, put celery in here. It's up to you what you want to do there. I just like the bell peppers, and I like the green onions. Sometimes a bit of raw onion in this is nice, like a white onion or something. Some parsley. Flat leaf parsley there, chopped. Lemon juice or lime juice. Or like I say, if you want to replace this with like a balsamic vinegar or something like that, up to you. And then olive oil. Like I say, quite expensive this one. In fact, it's really bloody expensive, but it's really worth it for salads. We're going to give that a mix, job done. All right then, there you go, really beautiful, nice and easy, another little salad Sunday recipe. Hope you enjoyed that, keep safe, keep well, see you soon, lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari, come on, help me out.